Assalamualaikum, selamat malam. My name is Fauzi Awang Othman. My booking code is C950. My supervisor PNTS Dr. Muhammad Fayyad and my co-supervisor Prof. Dr. Zaki Ahmad. My title PhD is Effect of Moisturization using organic solvent to the engineering properties of oil palm wood. For the introduction, the oil palm wood is a residual material resource from the Malaysian oil palm plantation. It appears well suited as a raw material input for the solid wood industry because oil palm wood is a biomass resource in Malaysia. The replanting cycle of oil palm trees at the 25 to 30 years makes palm wood excellent sustainable timber resources for the wooden products. Plentiful but underused. Government policy encourages to utilize. National agenda on waste to what? Using of palm wood also means using less forest log. The use of palm wood will prevent conventional wood which are obtained from forestry to be felled just for the purpose of providing timber. More forests can be kept intact as deforestation is avoided. Renewable, sustainable and green. Oil palm wood drying. To enhance our products utilize the oil palm biomass, the material must be dried first. However, variation of moisture content and density of the trunk exhibit its full utilization. This makes processing of this biomass resources considerable a challenge. Mainly from the trunk, which can have a green moisture content of up to 150% to 600 and density 150 to 7 kg per m3. Moisturization by organic solvent. In 1970s, researchers realized that the ability to dehydrate wood at low temperature would be a flagship achievement, since many species were not resistant to critical temperatures. At this time, scientists embarked on the quest to establish the interconnection between the organic solvent exchange method efficiency and the dimension of the log use. The aim of this study is to discover a new drying for palm wood which use three types of organic solvent followed by determining the optimum to avoiding drying defects. It also will determine the effect of drying parameters such as type of organic solvent on the physical and engineering properties of palm wood. The comparison treated and non-treated palm wood dried by oven dry will be determined to confirm the establishment of the data. Our statement is undiscovered and not established by any researcher and industry yet. The problem statement. First, supply of natural hardwood log in Malaysia, especially West Malaysia, is depleting and prices are rising. The timber industry is a strategic industry that plays a key role in the national development. The critical issue that have confronted the wood industry in Malaysia over the past year that cover tight raw material logs, supply situation, and green requirements that are ever increasing nowadays. Raw material logs obtained from the oil palm tree. during clearing and replanting appear to be the way forward for the wood industry. Green timber product buds, operation of moisture content, and density of the trunk exhibit its full utilization. This makes processing of these biomass resources considerable challenge. A serious experiment has been accomplished to observe the possibility of converting the OPT into oil palm wood. However, the oil palm wood will not resist to a critical temperature and will produce serious drying defect problem while using the normal clean drying method by the industry. This condition will lead to inefficient drying process such as time, energy, and material. An example of this is the fact the company dry it for very long time and more than 5 weeks, while others company dry up it somewhat faster but with very excessive amount and extent of defect. The specific problem, there are no study has done before to identify this technique to their engineering properties on oil palm wood. Second, there are no studies to identify the optimal method to extract moisture from oil palm wood with organic solvent. The objective of study: first, to determine and produce optimum organic solvent types to extract moisture from oil palm wood. Second, to evaluate and identify the effect of using organic solvent as drying agent to the drying characteristic of oil palm wood. Third, to analyze and develop database of the effect of using organic solvent as a drying agent to the engineering properties of treated oil palm wood. Fourth, to measure and establish the shrinkage level of oil palm wood due to drying using organic solvent. The significance of the study: by knowing the engineering properties treated oil palm wood can be classified to specific use, identify and measure drying characteristics, and will find the best organic solvent to help in reducing drying defect and shortening drying time and costs. Extract the optimal organic solvent can extract the moisture content from oil palm wood. Scope of the study: the material: a 24 years old palm trunk will be taken at the agriculture will have taken at the Agriculture Research Center of Tun Al Razak Tekam, Jalan Tun Pahang. Only the bottom portion, 4 meter from the beach depth height will be used. Paras dada 4 meter daripada paras dada. Ikut paras dada. Organic solvent, the prepare of palm wood sample will be immersed to 3 different organic solvents, which are ethanol, acetone, toluene for 24 hours. Sample preparation: the trunk will be divided into 2 layers, which is outer part is 1/3 from the peripheral region, and core layer, which 2 inch times 4 inch times 4 feet, about 30 sample will be neat and stored at freezer room at -10 degrees C to hinder attack by fungi and insect. All sample will be placed in oven for 5 days at the 80 degrees C. Testing: the treatment sample will prepare for physical and mechanical testing. For physical, I follow the standard STND 2395, American Society for Testing and Material. For mechanical, BS 373 1957, method of testing small specimen of timber. The physical testing is cover density, volumetric shrinkage, and moisture content. For mechanical testing, covered compression, torsion, shear bending, and tensile. MyLR. This table shows the MyLR. I include a pattern from US. Afrida et al. 2005. Offrey and Brentuobi 2010. Fauzi et al. 2012. Fauzi 2013. Bernard Effa and Ronnie Ossel, Coffee 2014. Lastly, my pattern 2021. This is my methodology for chart. Start from the material collection till to data collection. Material collection, sample preparation. We divide two parts. For the purple is outer, core is inner. So answer is mean untreated. Acetone, toluene, ethanol is a treatment. Treat and untreat. And go to drying. 80 degrees C in oven. After testing is divided by two parts, mechanical and physical testing. So data collection, analyze. So the ending this project research. This picture show how and doing my experiment. Start from the plantation. I use a back pusher to bulldoze the palm trunk. Transport to the mill at Yuat dan Pahang. Go to bandsaw. Divide by color. If the red color is show the peripheral part, no color this mean core layer, bahagian tengah pokok. Go to bandsaw and soaking, cut to size, soaking to ethanol, toluene, acetone. Go to oven for drying and testing. This picture show for the compression test, shear test, torsion test, tensile test. My current data result. So the result will divide by two parts, mechanical and physical. This result for the density outer part, density core part or inner part, shrinkage for outer part, shrinkage for inner part, moisture content for outer and inner. Inshallah by end of August the data will be analyzed, so we can know which part is more high value after test. This also for the vertical stress outer part, inner part for vertical stress, shear stress vertical, we cover inner and outer. Shear stress horizontal, compress strength, bending strength, torsion strength. So torsion will divide by 2, shear strength, torsion for shear, torsion for shear modulus. I also use scanning electron microscope and design expert for the optimization. Same for look more deep to the part OPW. This example my picture from all palm wood. The left is show the parenchyma and vesicle bundle. Show the cracking area between vesicle bundle and parenchyma. So that means have a defect. This is untreatment. At the right region, at the right picture, show the treatment sample. So no crack between vesicular bundle and parenchyma. So this picture proof if we treat with a chemical organic solvent, we reduce the defect during the drying time. This is my Gantt chart. Supposed to be I finished my PhD 2019. So the paper and presentation, the latest one is number 6. I submit to first International Academic Research Conference 2022. My title paper, Effect of Ethanol Treatment on Shrinkage of Oil Palm Trunk for the Drying Process. This paper was accepted but need for the revision. So my planning for next semester, rearrange with the addition of a new reference, additional of missing chemical treatment of toluene and acetone. My achievement, my pattern, and terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.